The 2026 Honda Magna marks the powerful return of a legendary machine that fans have been waiting for. On Pro Wheelhouse, today we explore how Honda has revived the Magna with modern engineering while keeping its classic muscle cruiser DNA alive. The Magna name has always stood for performance, character, and unmistakable V-engine attitude. Now, in 2026, Honda has taken that reputation and built a machine that blends raw torque with refined sophistication. Let's dive into what makes the new Magna one of the most anticipated cruisers of the decade. Heritage of the Magna line. The Honda Magna has a long, respected history dating back to the early 1980s. Known for its V-engine layout, sporty acceleration, and comfortable cruising dynamics, the Magna built a loyal global following. Riders loved its ability to deliver pure riding joy without unnecessary bulk. The 2026 Magna continues this spirit, combining modern performance upgrades with a design that honors its heritage. Honda's intention was clear: bring back the power and agility of the original while redefining what a mid-sized muscle cruiser can be today. Engine and performance. At the heart of the 2026 Magna is a newly engineered liquid-cooled V-twin engine designed for smooth power delivery and responsive torque. Honda has tuned the engine to provide strong acceleration across all gears, making city riding and highway cruising equally enjoyable. The power band feels energetic yet controlled, perfect for riders who appreciate a balance of muscle and refinement. Fuel efficiency has also improved thanks to updated injection technology and smart engine mapping. This new Magna offers a satisfying punch without sacrificing daily practicality. Ride quality and handling. Honda has built the 2026 Magna to deliver stable, confident handling. A redesigned chassis improves rigidity while keeping the bike lightweight and easy to maneuver. The low-slung stance enhances cornering stability, and the suspension system has been tuned for comfort on long rides as well as responsiveness on uneven roads. Whether taking sharp turns or gliding along highways, the Magna remains composed and predictable. Honda's goal was to make this bike feel powerful yet friendly, and the results clearly show that balance. Design and styling. The design of the new Honda Magna blends retro charm with modern aggression. A sculpted fuel tank, muscular side panels, and a stretched-out cruiser posture create an unmistakable silhouette. The lines are clean and bold, reflecting both tradition and innovation. LED lighting all around adds a modern touch while improving visibility. Honda's engineers ensured that the 2026 Magna looks unique without abandoning its classic roots. The seating position is relaxed and ergonomic, with a comfortable saddle shaped for long hours on the road. Technology and features. Honda has equipped the 2026 Magna with a refined technology package tailored for the modern rider. A digital-analog hybrid display provides essential information clearly and stylishly. Smart riding modes optimize performance based on road conditions, while traction control and ABS enhance safety and control. USB charging, smartphone connectivity, and Bluetooth integration make the Magna practical for everyday use. Despite its muscular design, the Magna offers a sophisticated range of features designed around rider convenience and comfort. Braking and safety. Braking performance is a key highlight of the new Magna. Front and rear disc brakes, supported by advanced ABS, ensure strong and predictable stopping power. Honda's engineers have tuned the braking system to feel responsive without being overly aggressive, making it ideal for both beginners and experienced riders. The low center of gravity adds to the overall safety profile, giving the bike a planted, confident feel even during sudden maneuvers. Who is the Magna for? The 2026 Honda Magna is built for riders who appreciate power, style, and versatility. It's ideal for those who want a muscle cruiser that's not too heavy but still delivers thrilling performance. Daily commuters, weekend tourers, and returning riders will all find something to love in the Magna's balanced personality. It's a bike that stands out without demanding too much from the rider. Conclusion. The new Honda Magna, 2026, represents Honda's bold return to the muscle cruiser category. With its refined engine, classic modern styling, advanced technology, and rider-friendly performance, the Magna promises to become a favorite among enthusiasts. Pro Wheelhouse celebrates this remarkable comeback, showcasing a machine that blends heritage with innovation in a way only Honda can.